In this module, we will understand and review what are those options which are available to mid-sized companies if they have a plan to implement ERP system in their organization. कि कौन कौन सी options available हैं small to medium level companies को अगर उनका plan है कि they have to bring in ERP system in their organization. By 1998, most of the Fortune 500 companies had already installed ERP system. So majority of the companies by 1998, medium to large organization, they were using the ERP system. But small to medium level organization, you need to spend and invest into ERP system so that you can make benefits and use the system for improved collaboration and productivity. So there are limited number of ERP vendors. कम हैं ERP vendors in the market. तो आपको एक या combination of one or two ही यूज करने पड़ेंगे, जिसका मतलब ये हुआ कि ERP vendors जो मौजूद हैं मार्केट में वो SAP, Oracle and Microsoft. These are the major players available in the market. So you have to select between one of these companies. So they refocus their marketing effort on mid-sized companies. From 1995 onward, they have realized that they need to develop the ERP system so that small to medium level organization can afford. Affordability means that they are able to invest into ERP system so that they can reap the benefits out of it. If the small and medium level companies are not able to afford it, तो मुश्किल हो जाएगी. So they have started the movement कि their all marketing efforts have to be spent focused on small to medium level companies. अब यहाँ पे when we use the word small to medium level companies, दो indicator हैं based on which you can identify कि these companies fall under small to medium level companies. For example, first indicator is वहाँ पर कितने लोग काम कर रहे हैं, workforce कितनी है, and second उनका overall budget क्या है. So these are most commonly used indicators to identify that these are the small to medium level companies. SAP have developed a system and they have configured their system in such a way and they offer the products to the customer that they have developed the system in a single package. So all in one, you can buy all in one SAP products, which contains specific pre-configured bundles. Already configured modules and bundles are present. So customer can just go and buy SAP products and that module, if they buy that specific module, can accomplish the task specific to that module of SAP tailored for particular industry. So they have developed and configured their system and ERP software in such a way कि कुछ specific industries के को सामने रख के modules develop किए गए हैं. So if you fall under into those specific industries, so you can just go to the company and buy that specific module. These systems can be installed more quickly than the standard ERP products. So there might be a possibility कि आप कस्टमाइज ERP प्रोडक्ट्स किसी कंसल्टेंट या किसी कंपनी से बनवाएं. But the companies who develop the full-fledged ERP system, they give you the flexibility that you can buy the modules and configure it according to your needs. अगर आप किसी और कंपनी से बनवाते हैं ERP system, which might be a customized system, तो there might be a possibility कि customization में ज़्यादा टाइम लग जाए और जो जिस काम के लिए और जिस टाइम में यू हैव प्लान वो काम और वो टाइम प्रोजेक्ट सक्सेसफुल ना हो पाए. Application hosting. So some of the companies, what they do is they use third-party companies, provides the hardware and software support. So ERP vendors, the way they have developed, they have allowed third-party companies, which means other companies who were not part of actual development, वो उससे रिलेटेड, उस ERP सिस्टम से रिलेटेड हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर support provide करती हैं. Which what it does, it makes ERP system like SAP more appealing to mid-sized companies. So hardware and software support can be from another company. Actual software product can be from SAP. तो इस तरह companies जो use करेंगी ERP system को, they would be in a position to easily use the system and implement the system so that they can remain productive. What are some of the challenges faced by ERP vendors? One of the challenges that they face competition from smaller providers of ERP system. In the market, there are different options available. First is you can go to these vendors, SAP, Oracle or Microsoft, buy the products for them, or you can use open ERP system, which is easily, freely downloadable from the internet, or you can hire a company and develop a ERP system for your organization. So depending on what strategy you use, it is up to the executives to make sure that whatever the business objective for which you are bringing in the ERP system, वो meet हो. These systems are less costly to acquire and easy to modify. So generally open source ERP or customized ERP for small to medium level organization are less costly and in some cases easy to modify. So it is up to the executive कि उसने क्या strategy use करनी है. अगर if you go for software vendors, Microsoft, Oracle or SAP, so you have to invest heavily. If you go for open ERP, then you have to hire consultants so that they can modify the system according to your needs. Or if you hire a company to customize the ERP, then you have to make a close contact with that company so that whatever the product they are making or developing, it meets the requirements of your company.